Hello, everyone. Welcome to 15-minute pranayama to increase your energy. Want to feel more vitalized, more energetic? Probably most of us do. Take these 15 minutes, dive deep. It's going to be amazing. So let's close our eyes for a moment. First, check in. How is the energy right now? Give it a number, 1 to 10. 1 is like, if I don't get a cup of coffee in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explode. And 10 is like, I'm overflowing with divine joy. My heart is overflowing with energy. I'm ready for anything that comes my way. So put yourself on the scale, and then we'll do a few standing exercises. We'll do a few seated exercises, and we'll see if we went anywhere. So let's start with standing exercises. First, just my favorite. This one's just called Shake It Off. And then sometimes add everything. Add the arms, add the shoulders, add the hips, add the smile, add everything in. And then sometimes to shake it off, we can add sigh it off. That's a good one too. So that just gets the energy, the stagnant energy moving. One more time. That's already going to change the energetic outlook of things. Beautiful. And now we'll try a different breath. That's a double breath through the nose, double breath out the mouth. Try it one time with me. One more time. And let's add a simple movement, bringing the hands together in front, bending the knees. Double inhale through the nose, tense the whole body. Double exhalation out the mouth, relax the whole body. Again, tensing, relaxing, tensing, relaxing. Close your eyes, tensing, relaxing. A few more times. Really tense the body. Really relax. Beautiful. Palms down by the side, palms facing forward. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the energy in the body. Many times we don't have energy because we don't take the time to feel it. Feel it moving, feel it coursing through the body. And open your eyes, we'll do another fun one. Let's go on a walk. Really bring your knees up nice and high. Put a smile on your face. Imagine you're in the most beautiful place. You're in your favorite forest, or you're up on a mountain looking down at the valleys. And you're just enjoying the fresh air, the trees, the sky. Everything's possible. You're walking in a land of possibility. With the big smile, you inhale, lift your hands up to the sky, and long, slow, deep exhale, your hands come down by your side. And again, inhale, feeling like you're filling yourself with vitality, with life force. Exhale, your hands come down by your side. And again, filling yourself with vitality. And slowly your arms come down and your palms face forward again. You're in mountain pose, stable, strong, still like a mountain, just feeling the flow of energy. And when you're ready, slowly you can open your eyes and we'll shift down to the ground for some seated pranayama. So find yourself in a comfortable seated position that can be on a chair or on the floor. take a moment just to arrive. Really feel your sit bones rooted into your seat, lengthened up through the spine, chin gently tucked in, body relaxed. No need to worry about anything from the future or the past. Just this present moment. And then we'll do the same breath that we did in our standing exercise. Double inhalation through the nose, long, slow exhale out the mouth. And we'll do it a little bit slower. So practice with me. Double inhale, full exhale. Double inhale, full exhale. Find your rhythm. Deep, long breaths. Feel the energy. Sometimes there's tingling. That's okay. Or heat. That's also okay. Nice and smooth. Nice and full. Just a few more. Deep ones. Exhale all the way out. Long, slow, deep inhale. As slow as you can. Long, slow, deep exhale. As slow as you can. If you know Ujjayi, feel free to add the sound. Otherwise, just follow this long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. One more breath. Exhaling. Hold the breath out for a moment. This is inhale retention. Only if this is right for your body. If you're pregnant, no retention. Otherwise, stay with the retention. Just relax the body and enjoy. When you're ready, long, slow, deep inhale. Holding at the top of the inhalation. Pause there, relax the body. Long, slow, deep exhale. Giving the body a moment just to integrate what's been done so far. Just let the breath return to its natural rhythm. Body relaxed, mind relaxed, breath relaxed. Feel the spaciousness, the centeredness, the energy. And into another round. Double inhalation through the nose, out the mouth. Find your rhythm. Nice and full. Body relaxed. Maybe there's tingling. That's okay. Stay with the flow. Long, smooth breath out. Long, smooth breath in. Stay with the smooth flow of breath. Last long, deep inhale and exhale. And when you reach the end of the exhalation, hold the breath out. And when you're ready, nice, long, deep, smooth inhale. Hold the breath at the top. If at any point you need to exhale, that's fine. Otherwise, stay with the inhale retention. Long, slow, deep exhalation. Letting the breath return to normal. Feel the energy. Take a moment. Remember your original number. What is your number now? Feel the prana, feel the life force flowing in your body. Taking a moment to bring your hands to heart center, bowing your head to your heart. Gratitude for the great tradition of yoga, for life force and for life itself. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I hope you enjoyed this. I feel like if you enjoy seeing videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you feel like you benefited from this video, make sure to hit the like button. Other than that, our full gratitude is with you. Thank you for taking a little time to fill your cup. And I hope it leads you on to a beautiful day. Thank you so much for your practice. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.